you? I hope you're fine wherever you are. Welcome again to another video. If you're new here, karibu sana, welcome. Remember to subscribe, like this video as usual. Kindly like, click the like button. It really helps a lot. Please make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and at the end of the video you can comment down below. Okay, so my name is Lucia. If you're new here, you don't know me, I'm Lucia. And for those who are returned again to watch this video, thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. I appreciate a lot. So today is on Wednesday, 11th of December. So tomorrow is Jamhuri Day. Here in Kenya we do celebrate Jamhuri Day tomorrow. That is on Thursday. 2 weeks to Christmas. Are you ready for Christmas, guys? As for us here, we are ready. We are waiting for Christmas Day to come. Okay, I don't know the plans, but maybe I'll tell you when the day comes. Okay, what are your plans for Christmas? Can you tell me on the comment section? Are you planning to go to the village? Are you planning to go to vacation? Okay, so I welcome you all to today's video. I'm going to be right here doing some things here and there. I've already cleaned the house. It's very clean. And Olivia, she's in the kitchen. She's washing the dishes. And then right now it's 12:45. Yeah, it's almost 1 p.m. I want to prepare lunch with you guys. And then after lunch, I'm going to the salon. Can you see my hair? It's very bad. I nilibomoa the braids, and now I want to go to the salon to straighten my hair. And then I prepare for what I'm going to kushukwa. Nishukwe nini Christmas? I don't know. But today I want to straighten it so that it can look good. Okay? So that's my plan for today. Karibuni sana. And then welcome. Today is very hot. It's sunny day. It's a very sunny day. Let me show you the weather for today. So this is the weather for today. That it's so cloudy. Excuse me. It's so cloudy today, and we are expecting rain. Today it will rain, I think so. Our drum here is full. This one, the 5,000 liters, it's full of water. That's what we have been using. It's fresh rainwater, and it's so fresh. So that's the weather for today. So let me show you what I'm going to prepare for today. As you can see, my house is clean. It's super clean. I have cleaned it right now. And Olivia, she's here washing the dishes. There she is. Are you done? You're not done. Hurry up, I want to cook for you guys. Sawa. Okay. So guys, we are done with lunch and I have packed this for my sister, my two sisters. They have this. It's not a lot, but they will enjoy my bhaja. Okay, so now I'm going to the salon. It's 2 p.m. here and it's very sunny, very sunny and hot too. So let me close this door. So let me go. So guys, I'm here now. I'm with my sister here. She's here. Hello guys. Are you enjoying my bhaja?
I'm eating
How are they?
Yes, they are sweet.
They are sweet.
Yes.
Are they sweet or yummy?
Both of them.
Both of them. So I'm waiting for the other sister so that she can come, and I straighten my hair. I had to do my hair. I straightened my hair. She has gone to the salon to Ashupwe. So I'm here with the other one, and she has good, beautiful clothes here. She has a shop, a clothes shop. She has tops, jeans. Let me show you. Oh, she has beautiful clothes here for sale. They are thrift clothes, and these are the tops and the jeans there. Yeah, and the other one there. Beautiful dresses there. Yeah, so that's what she sells here. That's her shop. She was arranging the jeans here. They are new. Not new, but new stock. Yes, so that's it. So I have decided to pick beautiful jackets here for my baby Alvin. You see this one, this beautiful jacket here, Mali Safi Chito. It's very nice. Even inside it's very warm. Can you see? Very warm. So I have picked like 2 of them. I have that one and this one too. This one is very heavy too for Alvin. Look at how smart it is. It has eyes. Kona macho. And 2 tops. I have 2 tops for me. So I have promoted her. Waiting for my sister to come. It's 3 p.m. This is how it looks here. Today is a very hot day. Look at how it is. Very bright day. And beautiful too. So guys, I am done, and look at my hair. It's so long, so I'm going to stay with like that for some days, and then I will see what to bring. Okay, so now I'm going home. My sister, she's there. I'm a supwa. You see her hair. Here you go. Here you go. She's so beautiful with that braids. Alright, mine is smart. Even yours. Very smart.
Very
But you need to give me this because
Hey,
I have
no.
hair now.
You have to go to Soko.
I have to go to the
No, 150.
150 bob. So let me go home.